Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Noida Extension, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expert team, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is revolutionizing the world of 3D scanning. Whether you need to scan objects, buildings, or even entire landscapes, they have the expertise to capture every detail with precision. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of accuracy and efficiency when it comes to 3D scanning, and they strive to deliver the best results every time. Their team of professionals is highly skilled and experienced in using advanced scanning equipment, ensuring that every scan is of the highest quality. One of the reasons why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to choice for 3D scanning services in Noida Extension, Delhi NCR is their extensive range of scanning capabilities. They can handle projects of any size and complexity, from small objects to large architectural structures. No matter how intricate or detailed your project may be, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the tools and expertise to capture every aspect with utmost accuracy. Another advantage of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their quick turnaround time. They understand that time is of the essence in today's fast-paced world, and they strive to deliver results within the shortest possible timeframe. Whether you are a designer, architect, engineer, or simply a creative individual looking for innovative solutions, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered, so why wait? Contact them today and experience the wonders of 3D scanning like never before. Are you looking for the best 3D scanning services in Noida Extension, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to meet all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise, they offer top-notch 3D scanning services that will blow your mind. Whether you need to scan a small object or a large industrial component, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their attention to detail and precision in scanning is unmatched, making them the go-to choice for anyone in need of high-quality 3D scanning services. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of delivering accurate and detailed scans, and they go above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction. Their team of skilled professionals has years of experience in the field and knows exactly how to capture every intricate detail of an object, no matter how complex it may be. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you can rest assured that your 3D scans will be of the highest quality. One of the greatest advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their location